I like to do three things with my volunteers. First thing I do is send them cards. I send them cards of encouragement. I send them cards of, hey, I saw you do this. I send them cards just letting them know that they're a valuable part of the team. The second thing that I do is I get to know them. I get to know their family. I get to know where they work. I get to know some of the things that they enjoy so that I can even treat them to their favorite candy bar or a gift card to their favorite restaurant or favorite coffee shop. And then the third thing that I like to do is I like to pray for them. Following up with them after I've prayed with them, or getting to know them so that I can pray for them in a specific way. These are all ways that I can and you can show your volunteers that they are valuable. If people don't feel like they're valued, then they'll find their value somewhere else.